The Khelo India initiative was launched in 2018 to provide a robust framework for grassroots sports in India. This has very quickly become the biggest network of sports events and competitions in the country, with more and more of our international athletes having some sort of an association with the program in their budding days. Think of it as the national level IPL for Olympic sports or a mini Olympics of India. Because in these games, you don't play as an individual but as a representative of a state. It builds not just fraternity with other team members but also fosters competition. Its main aim is to provide a platform for young athletes to showcase their talents and compete at national levels. It also provides financial and other aids to the best of the talent identified. Under the Khelo India banner, 4 national level events are organized: Khelo India Youth Games, Khelo India University Games, Khelo India Winter Games, and since 2023, Khelo India Para Games. The first edition of the Khelo India School Games, which later evolved into Khelo India Youth Games, was held in New Delhi in 2018. The success of the Youth Games led to the introduction of University Games in 2020, hosted in Odisha, and the Khelo India Winter Games, which also began in 2020. The initiative has expanded to include a wide range of sports, with the 2024 Youth Games featuring 26 disciplines, including traditional sports like Kabaddi and Kho-Kho. The initiative has led to the construction of new sports facilities and also the upgrading of existing ones. So, how is talent identified under the Khelo India initiative? Committees are set up for talent identification. They visit various events, competitions, and conduct open trials as well. These committees also work closely with the national sports federations. Shortlisted athletes are invited to assessment camps where they undergo various tests. And selected athletes are inducted into the Khelo India scheme, where they receive targeted support, including access to accredited academies and centers of excellence. There is an annual review which is conducted to assess the progress of each athlete. The way this program also helps grassroots sports is by allowing schools to take advantage of the sports infrastructure developed under the Khelo India scheme. This includes access to training facilities, equipment, and even coaching resources. Schools can in fact benefit from the community coaching development programs. Khelo India also provides financial assistance to schools for the development of sports infrastructure and the organization of sports events. Schools can in fact apply for grants and funding for the same. The Khelo India Games will continue to include more sports with a focus on indigenous and traditional sports. For instance, the 2025 Khelo India Youth Games will feature 28 sports, including new additions like esports as a demonstration sport. The promotion of rural and indigenous or tribal games component of this initiative specially supports Malakham along with other traditional games like Kalaripattu, Gatka, Thanta, Yoganasan, and Silambam. For the financial year 2024-25, the government allocated 800 crore rupees to the Khelo India scheme, most of which is meant for building and upgrading of sports facilities. The main focus, though, continues to be financial aid and top-notch training to young athletes, ensuring their participation in both national and international competitions. In the 2024 Paris Olympics, for example, 28 out of the 117 Indian athletes were Khelo India athletes, highlighting the program's success in a very short span of time.
जब मैंने शूटिंग स्टार्ट करी थी तब मेरा फर्स्ट जो खेलो इंडिया गेम्स थी, जो स्कूली गेम्स हुई थी फर्स्ट, वो 2018 में हुई थी। और उसके बाद मेरे को काफी अपॉर्चुनिटीज भी मिली उसके अंदर, जैसे कि मंथली अलाउंस मिल जाती थी एथलीट्स को, और पायलट्स फ्री हो जाती है, लेन मतलब ट्रेनिंग के लिए फ्री हो जाता था हमारा। तो उसके बाद काफी चीजें मेरे को मिली, एंड उसके बाद मेरे को काफी मोटिवेशन मिली कि मैं और अच्छा करना है। एंड ये एथलीट्स के लिए बहुत अच्छी चीज थी जो पीएम सर ने लॉन्च की, कि जब भी खेलो इंडिया होती है और मेडल आ जाता है, उसके बाद नेक्स्ट एथलीट को अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलती है खेलने की। एंड मेरे लिए काफी अच्छी चीज थी वो।
At the very heart of this initiative is to make sports a part of life in India. Unless it becomes a routine for a child, it will be impossible for India to compete with the likes of US or Russia or China or Australia at the global stage. Khelo India could be a very important step in turning India from a sports loving and watching country to an actual sports playing country.